Well, I'm gonna start with the class right now. And I'm gonna call the student. I'm gonna call the student in order to go with the class. One, you two. I don't know if I can show my screen. I'm calling the student. I'm calling the student, but she doesn't answer. I don't know. She doesn't answer. Let me call her again and let me send her a message, right? I'm gonna send her a message. And hello, hello, Eliani. She's here. Hello,
Hello.
hello, Eliani. Are you there? Are you there?
Hello. Yeah.
Okay. Okay. Let's go with sharing the screen. I'm gonna start with the class right now. We're gonna do our. Okay. Let me see if it is recording right now. Okay, that's right. So hello, Eliani. I hope that you are very fine. You are so great today. How are you? Are you good?
Yeah, thank you. I'm fine.
Okay,
And what about you?
I'm so fine, so great today. Well, this is a B2 level. This is a real English scenario. My name is Edwin Lobon Alban, and the topic for today is about environmental issues, talking about climate change and sustainability, right? That's the topic for today, environmental issues. Now, we're gonna start with the adjective. Can you please, Eliane, read the adjectives?
Yeah, sure. Objective. Learn vocabulary related to environmental issues. Read and analyze a short test about a successful environment campaign. Watch and discuss a successful environmental ad. And create and present your own mini advertisement idea for an eco-friendly product.
Okay. Now I'm gonna read the instruction for the class, right? So first thing is participate actively in every activity. You will gain confidence and fluency. Then practice English daily with music, videos, and friends. You will improve faster and speak naturally. Enjoy learning through games, teamwork, and creativity. You will have fun and remember more, right? So let's go with first the first warm up or the first activity. So I don't know if you have heard about a brand associated with environmentally friendly. I don't know if you have heard that. Uh, can you mention two of them? Two brands?
Associate with being environmental friendly. Well, no, I don't remember.
For example, we have here Tesla. Tesla is a eco-friendly company that they produce electric car. Do you have you heard about that? Have you heard about Tesla?
Yes, I have heard about that, but I
And
didn't knew. I didn't know that it was
Oh,
eco-friendly.
yeah. They say that they build or they construct machines, but electric machines. But when they build or they construct cars or oil cars, they recycle the cars they produce, right? And for example, BMW. Have you heard about BMW?
No,
They are like the same thing that like the Tesla. It's like the same thing. And have you heard, for example, something you have heard about a campaign or a business or a brand? I don't know. You have heard. Can you mention one or I don't know. Do you remember?
my
Do
last
you
one.
remember? Do you
Um,
remember something?
I don't remember
Do you remember?
anyone.
Okay, that's right. That's a don't worry. Now we have Apple. We have Apple. Do you know that Apple may they are eco-friendly because they when they recycles components that they made made of the or build the cell phones or tablets. They recycle the tablets they sell. If they don't see tablets, they recycle that tablet and make new products like new tablet and so on. So okay, let's go with an activity, vocabulary activity. I want you to send you this link, right? Is a letter soap. Es una sopa de letras. Aquí tenemos las palabras, el vocabulario que vamos a usar, ¿sí? Que vamos a trabajar, ¿listo? Entonces te voy a enviar el link para que puedas ingresar y me dices que si puedes ingresar o para hacer algo acá. Bueno, eso. I'm gonna give you 7 to 10 minutes to complete the activity, right? So when you finish, you tell me, right?
Okay, okay. Can you send me the appears in the
So,
página principal?
sorry,
Acá, esta es la página principal.
you get into the principal page.
Sí, I don't know why.
Oh, let me send you again. I don't know. Let me send you the link again. Is this one right? Is this one? Okay. I wanna send you again the link if it
Okay.
works, right? Let me send you. Now open it. I send you. Could you get it?
Yes.
Okay. So when you finish, you send me the screenshot of your results, and that's it. Uh, Eliane, did you finish or not yet?
I'm missing one. Let me uncheck.
Okay. That's right. You got it. And congratulations, Liani. You got a good job, and you got almost all the words. And well, let me. We are gonna do. We're gonna pass to the next activity. So, um, but before, I want to ask you a little question about what is sustainability. Have you heard about sustainability, Leonie? Or
The meaning?
sustainability? Have you heard about that word or not?
Yeah,
It's like sustainability to reduce, efficient to be when a product is so reduce their energy or they reduce their all combustion like cars.
yeah,
um,
it would to create in a productive way things that would not pollute at all.
yes, that's right, you are correct. And we have here another word that can be a little tricky to understand, like carbon footprint. Have you heard about carbon footprint?
Yeah, I have heard about that. Is that uh, emission that
Ye-
left that pollute the
yes,
air, and so
yes,
that's
that's
why
the
it's called a footprint.
yeah, that's right. You got it. You got the understanding, right? Good job. Good job. And let's go with the reading comprehension right now. I want you to read this lecture or this paragraph, and I'm gonna ask you some basic questions in order to understand this lecture, right? So go ahead. The title and the paragraph. Go ahead, please.
Okay. The Don't Buy This Jacket campaign in into 111, the clothing campaign Tapa Patagonia launched a surprising campaign called Don't Buy This Jacket. The idea was simple but powerful. The company ran an ad on Black Friday, the biggest shopping sale of the year, telling people not to buy their products. Instead, they asked people to think about the environmental cost of consumerism. The ad explained that making just one of their jackets used 135 liters of water and created 2 pounds of carbon dioxide. People were shocked but also impressed. The campaign showed that Patagonia was serious about its mission to protect the planet. It made people feel connected to the brand's values. As a result, Patagonia's sales actually increased by about 30% in the following months. The campaign taught other campaigns that being honest and having a strong, authentic message can be more powerful than just trying to sell more products.
Now, um, what do you understand, or what was the new and surprising about "Don't Buy This Jacket" campaign? Why is that campaign? Uh,
Well, the surprising thing that happened in this case is that even though they were promoting not to buy their products, it happens the opposite, and its sales increased in a considerable average.
okay, that's right. And why did Patagonia tell people not to buy their jackets? Why?
Because of the cost and the environmental issues that it caused.
Right, that's okay. And it because they use 135 liters of water and create 2 pounds of carbon dioxide, right? And well, the other question is, how did the campaign affect Patagonia sales?
I would say that in a positive way because it, the sales were increasing in the following months.
Yes, it's increased about 30% in the following months, right? And what lesson can other companies learn from it?
When the message that the brand shared is that being authentic it's also a way of um, connecting with people and
Yes,
making sales be increasing every day.
just like changing the point of view of the people, the perception of the people, in order to buy new things in the
Because they
future.
said they said the opposite that people is used to to hear.
Yes, it's like an ironic thing that make us think to buy that thing in the future. I don't know. It's something confusing, right? Uh, let's go. Thank you, Eliane, for participating, and we're gonna do an listening activity. I don't know if you have heard about this video. Let me put this video. Let me let me. I don't know if can. Okay. Can you hear it? Can you hear it? You can you listen or not? Yes or not?
I can I can hear that I can hear that
I cannot hear
uh,
you, Eliane. You hear some a little disrupting. Uh, Let me see if it can extend the video here. Well,
can you hear me?
yes, I can hear you now. Yes, think.
I was in that I could listen, but like con muchas interrupciones. I don't know if it's my internet connection here.
And I wanna give you and then I gonna give you then the link and can you listen in your computer, right? Because I think
Okay,
there
yes.
is a lot of disrupting, you know. Um, I don't know, let me send you this, the link. You hear it, you take your time to understand all the video. So already send you the link, right? Okay. You tell me if you can open it. If you can't, so I gonna give you other link, right? Could you open it? Yes.
I can find it, so I'm gonna watch it in my phone.
Okay. Okay, Liani. Go ahead.
I finished. It finished.
Oh, okay, you finish.
I
Uh,
understood the meaning of
it sounds like disrupting. I don't know. Can you see something, Eliani?
I was saying, can you hear me well?
Yes, I can hear you now. Yes.
I was saying that I understood the main idea of the video, but in some parts I didn't get that because of my vocabulary, I guess.
Yeah, so like advanced English maybe, like so advanced, new words, new expressions, slang words. And what did you understand? What are the few things that you understood in the video?
Well, they are in like in a meeting in a conference from the company, and then it starts similar, and comes a person who represents nature,
Yeah,
and in that point they start talking about about the footprint that
yeah.
brand is causing to the earth.
And have you heard about something like the child labor? You know, the child labor. What about that child labor report? Do you did you heard? Do you heard in the video about child labor? Child
No,
labor, like kids working in. I think in the video and said that uh, Apple have didn't didn't support or didn't banish the providers. O sea, el Apple tenía unos productores, unos distribuidores en otro país. Y resulta que había niños trabajando en esa fábrica de ese país. Entonces, Apple sabía eso y no, no, se quedó callado. Entonces, ahí está como la negligencia de poner a trabajar a los niños. That's the idea, no? That's the message they wanna give us, and also that they work better without wasting energy in the environment, because the manufacturing children manufacturings and without machines, right? And well, that's all, Eliane. We're gonna do and a speaking activity. We're gonna do a basic speaking activity, right? So I wanna ask you the first question. This is related to effects of climate change. The first question I wanna ask you is: do you think large companies are doing enough to combat climate change, or not? What do you think about that, Eliane?
I don't think so. I think that those companies, big companies, are the ones that can make the most. They're not trying some technology or things that can help the earth.
Okay, that's right. That's a strong opinion. And then we're gonna do a second question. What are some simple things individuals can do to live more sustainable or sustainably? Uh, what do you think?
About some simple things. Well, we could start by saying that recycling Even though it is a word that everyone knows, we we don't apply it in our daily life. And if we
Yes.
do it, it would definitely make a change, a big change.
Yes, if all together, all the world, around the world, we make a good change by saving energy, don't wasting product, don't buying by buying, but buying for just
Just
for
for fun.
yes, that's right. That's you had to say it. That's right. That's right. And in your opinion, what is the most serious environmental issue today? We have here this example. In Colombia? What is the most the most effect the most principal climate change effect?
Well, I'm not sure what is the most uh,
Or for
serious
example,
problem, but
in United
I would
States or a country you have heard that have a big or strong effect in the environment.
I have heard a lot about the wildfires, um, and that
Maybe drought, maybe extreme weather like storms,
yeah,
you know.
and also those changes in the weather that now, well, here in Colombia, that now rains a lot in some parts, and in other ones there are drops in more considerable
Way.
like ways, like there are not bigger those drops.
Like I don't know, I don't have heard about I don't know. In the coast region or the north of Colombia, there are drought. Uh, I don't know that region. I don't know because I live in Ecuador, and Ecuador is so dry. Some places that are so dry, there are no trees or plants. All of this is concrete. It's just buildings, houses, and no forests, right? Like in Colombia. Okay, thank you, Eliane. Thank you so much. And we're gonna do the last activity that is a writing and grammar activity. Uh, I don't know if you have heard about should, must, and might, and could. Have you heard about those modal verbs?
So we are creating a lot of good.
Okay. You use should, right? Forget advices, right? Forget
Yeah.
advices, recommendations. Must for a strong recommendation. For example, if I am fat, I say I must eat less, or I must eat healthful because I am so unhealthy. I am in danger to die, right? You say I must, right? I must to do that. And then we say might for possibility, right? For a possibility, no more. And could, it's for saying, for expressing in the future, you could do that in future, or in the past, I could do that, I could do that. Yo pude haber hecho eso, sí, yo podría haber hecho eso. Y could también puede decirse para posibilidades o para habilidades. Posibilidades o habilidades. I could work at home o I could study at home. Eso es una posibilidad o una habilidad. ¿Sí? Entonces, ya sabiendo eso, let's go with the statement. The title for today is Be to Eco Advisor. What you must do is to create a short idea for a new ad campaign for an eco-friendly product, right? So you must use modal verbs such as should, must, might, and could. So we have a example. No, we have an example here. If you can guide with the example we have here. So could you understand the idea of the activity or not yet?
Um, well, I got that we should we sorry. I got that it's about o sea, es como si crear un parágrafo en donde expresemos una idea de un producto amigable con el
Claro.
ecosistema.
Eh,
Y debemos
exacto.
usar los should, must, could.
Exactamente. Eso. Así
Pero
es.
entonces, ¿es de un solo producto o de...
Yes, just one. You can invent whatever you want. A cell phone,
Pues, saying que este celular ayuda a esto? O es decir, lo...
yes, you can say this cell
Como,
phone is eco-friendly because it has these characteristics like save it wastes less energy. The battery is made of, I don't know, made of other kind of component that is no harm for the environment, something like that.
okay, just to create a new product.
Any
Like,
product you want, whatever you want. Yeah.
okay, I got it.
I'm gonna give you 7 minutes or more. If you wanna ask, if you wanna ask something, I'm here to help you, right? So when you finish, you send me in the chat.
I haven't finished. Give me 5 minutes, please.
Okay, okay, okay. Go ahead. I wait. Okay, you finish. Mm,
I think so. It's just a part, a little part that
okay, okay, don't worry. And we're gonna
proves
read it.
to Grammarly.
Okay. This eco-friendly cell phone must represent the future of sustainable technology. It must be designed with the planet in mind, using materials that protect the environment instead of harming it. Okay. Can you repeat the second paragraph?
The second paragraph.
Yeah.
For that purpose, its body should be made from biodegradable or recycled components, such as bamboo, fiber, or recycled aluminum, to reduce plastic pollution. The battery might include solar panels or kinetic system that rechanges with movement, offering a smart and clean source of energy. Because we should take care of the planet if we want to protect ourselves as well.
Okay, that's right. You have a good grammar, and I don't know what is the product of what is the product? A cell phone?
Yeah, a cell
Is a
phone.
cell phone a cell phone? Okay. You
And
have
it just works. I just thought about it, the energy way that it's gonna change.
okay, okay. I got it. And you base that product on maybe something that is, for example, I in the Apple company or something like that.
Yeah, yeah. The Apple company seems do something similar
Yeah, no, something similar. Yeah.
because
Okay, okay. Now, thank you so much, Eliani. You got a good understanding of the grammar. You have a good I don't know, a good structure in your mind. You can write very well. And then we're gonna do a final stage. That is not an activity, but it's for knowing that what you understood, the some vocabulary. And the first question is, what makes an environmental act successful?
an environmental successful, it would be the way that it uh, concientiza,
It is conscious. Conscious.
the way that
It
it
is
makes people conscious about its impact or
impact.
in
Yes.
our planet.
Yes, that's right. Yes. And which part of the class did you enjoy the most? Reading, listening, speaking, or writing?
The ones that I like,
Or vocabulary? I cannot hear you, really.
sorry, I couldn't hear you, but uh,
Which part of the class? Can you hear me? I cannot hear you.
I couldn't hear you. But okay, I'm gonna answer the question. The most interesting part is reading for me. It is reading and also speaking. I like speaking, even though if I make some mistakes, I know, but I like to speak.
Speaking.
And related, yeah, and
Okay.
related to the new words, I've uh, learned uh, not only French, Spanish, but like the different vocabulary that
Okay.
at first
Okay.
sometimes we forget its pronunciation or those sort of stuff.
Yes. The idea that if you are in a place with a cell phone, you can, I don't know, you can subscribe to Ebron or Spotify, and you can listen about those topics. Then you got the pronunciation better, and you can speak with someone else. I wanna advise you, you can download a Tandem, or I don't know, I don't remember Tandem. Yes, or Hello Talk, to practice with other people. Have you heard about that app, or don't? Or
Which
you are?
one?
So you download it and you practice more and more, right? So we have finished, Eliani. So thank you so much. I wanna send you the link of the register assistance because it's
Okay,
important to
thank you
you.
very
I wanna give you this assistance because it's important to for you to do that assistant register, right?
much. Okay, thank you
Then
very much.
thank you,
It was
Eliani, for
amazing.
assisting. Thank you so much. Thank you. And finish. No, stop the recording.